Tell me, dear listener, have you ever had a disc injury before? That's a type of injury where you can't sit down for that long, you get pain going into your leg, often associated with sciatica. Now, a lot of people come into the clinic, probably about 10 a day with this type of injury, and they're always extremely worried. Why? Because they think their back will never be the same again. But I'm here to tell you that you can rehabilitate disc injuries, you can fix them, and you can get them stronger than ever. And this is how. Stage 1. We're going to create offloaded mobility. This means that we're going to make sure that there's no gravity being placed through your spine. So we get you laying on your back in an all-fours position, and we start to articulate the spine. Now what this essentially does is it starts to send your nervous system and your brain messages. It is okay to move this way. It is okay to flex and extend your back. If we do this enough, the brain will start to say, okay, cool, maybe I'm not in as much trouble as I thought I was, and I'll start to reduce the amount of pain that my host or this person, you, is experiencing. And that's a really good way to modify your symptoms. That's stage 1. Stage 2. Now it's all well and good being offloaded and being mobile, but what we need to do now is get you used to being loaded and mobile. So we're not going to include your peripheries in this, we're not going to include your arms and your legs, but we're going to start to load your spine. Now the way that we do this is we start to experiment with compression. So what we do is we'll get you on your back, or once again in an all-fours position, or even sitting, and we'll get you used to bracing. That means contracting the abdominal muscles, contracting your lower back muscles to create a strong pillar for stability. The spine goes through a little bit of compression, but because you're not, increasing the load being placed through the spine with too many levers, you'll find that this is manageable, and once again your pain can reduce as a result. And stage 3, this is where we combine mobility with stability and load. So this is when we're going to start to get you used to doing things like squats, getting you used to do things like push-ups or certain pulling movements. The reason why is because we're educating your back on bracing to protect itself, but at the same time putting load through the periphery and putting load through the centre, putting load through your core. If we can do this, for example, if you can now squat pain-free in a controlled setting, it means that picking up your kids pain-free or getting up off the sofa pain-free won't be a problem. If you can, say, do a push-up pain-free, it means pushing your shopping trolley, or it means pushing, playing sport. Again, we can start to get you back into that pain-free. Everything that we do at the clinic involves taking you from being in a painful state to a pain-free state, a mobile state, a strong state, and then a functional state. So if you're interested in what we can do for you, and we can do a lot for you, then please contact us via the link below or send us a message online.